I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all the websites and apps where you have used the Sign In with Google feature. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and sign in to your Google account if prompted. Step 2. Click Data and Privacy in the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down the page to the Data Sharing section and then click Third-Party Apps and Services. You will see a complete list of all external websites and applications that have connections to your Google account. Click to select the Sign In with Google filter to see all of the connected websites and applications you use Sign In with Google with. Step 4. Click on any specific website or app in the list and then click See Details to view the exact details of what information it can access, such as your basic profile data or your email address, and to see when you first granted that permission. If you find a website on this list that you no longer use, you can easily disconnect it right from this screen. After clicking on the service to open its details page, scroll to the bottom and click Stop using Sign In with Google. A confirmation prompt will appear warning you that you might lose access to your account on that specific platform. Click Confirm to finalize the removal. Google will immediately stop automatic sign-ins and block that service from requesting any new information from your account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.